How to draw a line using a relative coordinate. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. This video will teach you how to draw a line using a relative coordinate in AutoCAD. Click the Home tab, Draw panel, then Line command. Or you can just type L in the command line then click Enter. Specify the first point. To specify the second point relative to the first point, do one of the following. If dynamic input is on, type the X value, a comma, then the Y value, for example, 4.0, 6.75. If dynamic input is off, type at, followed by the X value, a comma, then the Y value, for example, at 4.0, 6.75. Press the spacebar or Enter. Finally, you can show and hide dynamic input from customization.